Hey, yo, what's good with y'all? Another day at the Little 99 kart track on this R3. R3 is ripping today. Mini Rip is having a blast, and I'm having a blast on it with these new tires. I've got way more grip than I already thought that it had. This bike is so much more maneuverable now that we got these Q3 Pluses on there, and with the combination of the EBC pads, I could run into everything super deep on the brakes, and I got the confidence to make it stick. I was ending up chasing this dude around here on the Ninja 400 a lot. The Ninja 400 is so much faster than this R3, but as you can see, once I can close in on him, I could beat him in the brake zones, and we were making gnarly little passes. But one annoying ass thing that I was having to deal with is these rear sets. The rear sets kept coming loose, and when I tightened them up all the way, I couldn't shift. So half the time I get it in the third gear and I just leave it there because there's no way I could downshift. And then when I do downshift, I'd probably get like 2 downshifts in, and the damn rear sets was rolling around, coming off, about to fall off. So I kept having to come into the pits and find a solution. We did source a solution. I found some washers in my toolbox and some Loctite, and we got it cracking. Jumped right back in the mix, tried to find these Cowies again, found these Ninja 400s, and I'm back on attack. The Ninja 400s are damn faster than this R3. There's nothing I can do. It's just horsepower. But the R3 is super comfortable now, and it's super nimble. So the suspension settings and the geometry that I have allows me to be able to go through these corners as quick as I feel like, and I just stick onto the back of these dudes and I see where I'm gonna test the pass at. So straightaways, they pull on me. I can't fight that, but I can gather their ass up in these corners and I can stick right behind them. Right here, I can close on them or I can sit back. I was deciding to make my pass at the last place that you just saw me test the pass at. So after this bus stop, I'm about to get it lit. Just stay really close and then rifle out of the bus stop and stay track right. As they hug left and then come across as they're braking, you cross them up and you just take the inside. With these Q3 Plus, boom, it sticks. Lock the door out on them, but they're gonna come around me though with all this power on my left. Look at that. That Ninja 400 got way more power than this R3, but I got the brakes, I got the confidence, and look at those tires sticking, baby. On a track that guys swear is terrible, I mean, it's not the greatest, but it works. As you can see, the pace being picked up, taking it out wide, diving in tight. I'm even going over the little go-kart curb, and it's fun, dude. Hitting this damn bus stop, it's like my favorite part of the track. So it's a blast, and we're going to have some damn fun today. But first, we're going to go ahead and pit in, and I'm going to get you loaded up on Jalen, and you can see this little nutcase go crazy out here on this R3. So at the top of the morning, Jalen had earlier expressed how he was getting frustrated with the shifting. So this is his first time out with all the shifting being proper, and he's just able to have some fun and find his niche. He ended up chasing the same Cowie that I had found, but this was cool. He learned from his lesson from low side and the last time chasing the dude. But this time what he was doing was he wasn't closing on straights. He was closing in on these corners. Like he was really this guy. I didn't notice that he was doing that. I was in the pits chilling. I happened to look in the footage and was like, man, this kid was going psycho. So it was cool to see that he found a comfort level of chasing people and he's pressuring in turns instead of dealing with the closing speed. He was closing because the Cowie was able to accelerate, but Jalen's light enough to use these sprockets to the best of the ability. So he would get that little pressure, give the guy space, let him go back, and then he'd try to run him down again. This was his game, lap after lap after lap, and it was very entertaining when he pulled it in. First time here during a day this active. Pit's big lit. We got everything going on, and we're actually over here about 6 deep, dog. There's 2 R3s opposed to mine, and then there's like 3 Cowies, Supermoto, and the Z125. So we're shaking it down. Bike seems pretty good. Jalen likes it, feels great. We had an issue with the shifter and everything. It was binding. We found some solution. We put some washers to hold the bearing instead of clamp the whole entire bearing down. That actually made it shift way better. It shifts now like stock, which it was not bouncing back earlier. We've got some Loctite on it. It feels really good. Jalen likes it. We're splitting in with the kart guys over here, and we're jamming. Nicole decided to come with us to the track today, and I love that. So other than that, a couple of sessions in, we're doing all right. We'll head back out. We'll get some on-track footage. Yeah, the confidence that these. Oh, look at that! Oh yeah, he's about to run him down. He done put some space on man's. He's hopping that bad boy now. Yeah. Let's see where he makes the move at. Session was so good with this R3. Everything works out fine. The washers that we spaced this out for, it was a solution that we were able to source at the track that ended up making everything work fine. As I said, the shifter has the bounce back as it once did. Before, when this was just pressed onto the shifter would get shift and stuck in a position. It would stay up or stay down. So it was pretty tough to shift. That's what Jalen was getting frustrated with. That's what I was getting frustrated with. So the whole beginning of the day was just us fixing the problem. So now this R3 is pretty substantial as far as what we need it to do. And these tires were just a great addition. With the crown being so high on these tires, as you can see, they just hit mad peaks, right? When you lay it over, the benefit of that is that you got so much tire. You got so much tire that you're still using. We weren't able to scrub it all the way down to the end. I was dragging knee on this side. So this was the side that I was dragging knee on. I had a almost low side incident because I had just leaned it over and used way too much throttle. This is an evenly worn tire, but it was just cool to see with the changes, the comfort that I got to just start dragging knee on this thing was great. So day's done. We're all put back up. Everything's good to go. And we've got some more updates on violence. So that's going to be it for this vlog. I'm going to catch y'all in 2, and we out.